Hope you all are good. Hope you're safe. Thank you so much for always being there for me. I really appreciate you all. For my old subscribers, I say a very big thanks to you all. And for my new subscribers, if you're turning to my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Guys, I really appreciate you all for always being there for me, because without you guys there's nothing like Queen and Nikki. So guys, I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. So guys, today I just want to show you guys how you can actually take down your old braid, as in watermelon braid. The method you can actually use to take it down without losing your hair or without losing your client's hair. So guys, just stay tuned and watch what I'm doing. So if you have any question to ask, please let me know in a comment section. And if you have any hairstyle you want me to do tutorial on, please just let me know in a comment section. I'll be love to see your comments. So guys, this is just the little method, let me say it's a little method, or is a simple method way of taking down the braid. As you can see what I'm doing here, you just need your needle and you need your razor blade. You can use the full razor blade or you can use the half one. So as you can see what I'm doing right here on your screen, just use your needle to pick a little of the braid you tie. As in, you know, when you actually made a watermelon, you take small part of the extension to tie it up to avoid it losing before applying it in the hot water. So guys, you just take your needle to take it, as in to pull it up a little bit, and then you use your razor blade to just cut that tiny extension that you used to tie it. Then you begin to lose the hair. Just all, guys, see what I'm telling you here. You just use your needle, then you put it inside and use your razor blade. If you use this method, guys, honestly, trust me, none of your hair will break. Because if you're using that old method that we normally use, instead of using this method, instead of you using this needle, some people just take the razor blade and, just to cut it direct from the hair. By the time you begin to lose the hair, so you realize you cut so many hair and it's make the hair break. So I was like, I just decide to use this method, and I think this method works for me better. So guys, I'm sharing this video to you all just for you to use this method if you think this method will work better for you too. But for me, it actually works better for me. So guys, so just see the way I'm doing is very very easy and is stressless, so you don't have to stress yourself over losing the watermelon braid. So can you see what I'm doing here right now? It's very very easy to do, and you will not lose any of your hair, as in guys, any of the hair, you're not losing it. So I think this method is so lovely for me, guys, and I believe if you guys try this method, you will love it as well. So guys, that is all about what I have for you today. So let me know in a comment section if this video is helpful for you. So let me know, guys, and that is all about this hairstyle. When you finish, you go ahead and comb it, then you wash the hair and style it the hairstyle you wanted to do. So guys, that is all about this hairstyle, the tutorial that I have for you for today. So guys, I really love you all. Let me know if you have any hairstyle. If you want me to do tutorial on Didi, any hairstyle, just let me know, guys. I really love you all. I love you once again, and thank you so much for watching, for your comments. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. So as you can see what I'm doing here, you just use your razor blade. You just need two tools to take down this braid, as in watermelon braid. If you're a Nigerian watching this video, so you know this braid is actually called watermelon braid. So guys, this is all what I have for you for today's tutorial, and guys, I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye bye. I love you all.